An herb, if it wasn't so expensive, I would use more in the ones that kind of run hot and you need a driver around the system is chaihu. Chaihu is a great herb that way. Um, the uses of chaihu are fantastic when you start understanding how it's moving the chi. The traditional expression is a little bit it goes up, a lot it goes around, right? So people are nervous about chaihu affecting people's blood pressure, so they use less, and then the blood pressure spikes. They think, see, chaihu spikes the blood pressure. Whereas if you had a larger dose, it would move the chi all around the body, and the blood pressure would regulate out if they weren't from true excess, right? If there's blood pressure everywhere and you make movement, that's a good way to get a stroke, right? That's you got to drain that, right? Just pay attention to that.
Is it a little bit up?
Mhm. A little bit it goes up, a lot it goes around. Yes, of course I know why. Because it sparks the chi, officially the liver chi, but all chi. And if you only do a little bit of it, chi naturally goes up. No, no, no. If you have enough strength, the chi goes up, hits this bank of the billiard table, and then hits this bank and then goes back down because it's still going to keep going, right? But if you have a little bit, it's just like, but there wasn't enough to keep going down. Down's hard, right? So when building or stimulating chi and trying to get it to go down, that's hard. You know, you don't actually guide chi downwards. You weaken the system and the chi sags down. That's what the Da Huangs do. That's what all those things. When liver yang rising, you're actually weakening the chi through a drain. And so the chi settles down and sags out of weakness. We perceive that as positive because they had excess above. That's just the way to look at it, right? We didn't, it's not like it knows what to do. We're just deciding we're going to exhaust the chi a little bit. You see that a lot with those female amped has to run every day or they don't feel good. Like exercise exhaustion is their medication. And, that's great, but we could also just drain out some of that agitation and then you wouldn't have to do that and damage your knees and lose your menses and start getting shin splints and all the other issues that come from that.